Hi, I'm Genevieve Price-Griffin, and this is day 6 of 10 days of wins. And today, I would like to ask you, what does organizing mean to you in your life? The cost of not being organized is more than the cost of giving it a try and not having it work perfectly the first, second, or maybe even third time. Being organized is how you take care of yourself, and how you organize yourself is completely based on who you are as a person. There's too much going on in your life to keep it all up here. Using to-do lists and a lot of structure without a purpose becomes very rigid. So instead of just getting a planner and trying to be organized, better if you envision a picture of your daily life and what makes you happy about it. If you envision the way you would like your daily life to go, and you surrounded by all of the different options, whether that be from school or other situations, you surrounded by those options, then the type of tool to help you manage all of the things that surround you will make more sense. And so instead of envisioning a planner that's attached to a ball and chain, or a schedule, a calendar, or a phone that you're continually looking at and referring to makes you crazy, envision yourself with a life that you really like, surrounded by options, needing to have a tool that helps you to manage those options better so that you can live a happy life. Today, remember, hit the like and download my "What does organization mean to you" worksheet. You'll find the directions for doing that down below. So thank you, and come back for tomorrow, which is day 7.